Alright, and we're back. Got the body panels off. This is kind of what it looked like last time I left. Just for fun, we are going to see if it starts up on a first run. I'm going to turn that on. Nope. Sorry. Gotta hold this. Brake. And we're good to go. Starts right up. I do need to replace this gasket. And these bolts from Home Depot. That's a nice little item. Cool. I just wanted to let it run for a second just to make sure it still started up right. Anyway, there's my gasket. There's the big project for the day. But before that, I have to dig in through this. So I guess I should just set the camera up and film as I go. Would probably make things easier. But here's our body panels. There, everywhere. Got the back of the bike weighted down. I've got the handlebars off. And everything loosened all the way down through there. So the next thing is getting these out and making sure I don't mess up the bearings, because you know that would suck. I have been here maybe an hour and not all of that was really working, so that's about it. Had another donut, probably gonna have another one. We'll see you in a bit. So it's out. Yeah. I'd say it's a bit bent. There's a new one, ready to go in. Alright. Got it on there. Nice and secure. Nothing a little hammer and screwdriver wouldn't fix. Time to put it in. That's what she said. Bye. Alright, I managed to get the bearing race changed without damaging it too bad, and it went all back together pretty easy. I guess after working on a Jeep for 7 years, this is pretty easy. So that's where we're at right now. Got to get the rest of it put together, and my wheel stuff, this, that, and the other. You see what it looks like at that point. Alright, that is a whole lot better. Alright, so she's back together except for the body panels. We did go out for a little test ride. She's getting there. I went ahead and took the rest of the body panels off. I'm going to take them home and start painting them. I've got my paint and my sandpaper in my balcony. So it should do alright. She runs pretty good. It does smell like there's possibly a nest somewhere that we haven't found, but eventually I think if it's in the fan shroud it will burn out. Anyway, I've had it running long enough this time. Whatever's in there is dead, so not too worried about it at the moment. If it starts spitting fire, then woohoo! That'll be fun. Anyway, that's about it for now. Bye.